Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 6.4 question number 9. There are 500 children in school. For a PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? First of all, let's find the square root of 500. We are writing the number that is 500. We find the square root, that is dividing by 2, that is 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1, and 0 0 will come down, and if we double the quotient 2 to the 4, right, and it is 100. Again, if I multiply it by 2, 42 into 2, that is 42, into 2 is 2 to the 4, and 4 to the 8, that is 84, that is 84. We subtract this one, we'll get 6 carry 1, 8 1 9 10 1 16. Okay, the remainder is 16. Here you see that the remainder here you see that the remainder is 16. Remainder is 16. It shows that the square of 22. It shows that that the square of 22, that the square of 22 is less than 500, is less than 500. Square of 22 less than 500, less than 500. Square of 22 is less than 500 by 16, right? Therefore you have to subtract, therefore we have to subtract, we have to subtract therefore you have to subtract 16 from 500 to get a perfect square, to get a perfect square, to get a perfect square. Therefore if we subtract 16 from 500 minus 16, then we will get, subtract 16 from 500, 500 minus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 4, carry 1, 1 1 2, 8, carry 1, it is 4, 484, that is 484, 484, 484, and that is the 484, and that is the square of 22 square. If we find the square root of 484, if we find the square root of 484, 484, the square root of 22 square, the square root of 22 square, that is equal to 22, right? Therefore the number of rows and the number of columns will be same as 32. Therefore, we can say, therefore, the number of rows, the number of rows, number of rows and columns, the number of rows and columns is 32, right? And the question is, how many children would be left out in this arrangement? Here we got 16, right? Therefore, 16 children, 16 children, therefore 16 children, 16 children, therefore 16 children would be left out, would be left out, will be left out in this arrangement, in this arrangement. In this arrangement, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.